Alright, today we're going to be putting together the Mammut chair, the children's chair from Ikea. And this is a really easy assembly, so this is going to be a short video today. This chair comes in a couple different colors, and it's actually pretty affordable. It's only about $15, and you can get it in store, or I think you can get it online as well. Here's our instruction booklet here. Looks like you just need a hammer, but I was able to do it just with my bare hands, so you might not need one. The first step is to lay the base upside down on the floor and take the legs here. See that little notch? That notch is going to line up with this notch right here, so the legs go on in the right way. And here's where it says to use a hammer, but I was able to use some brute strength and click it into place. Alright, next step is to put the caps on the legs here. In the package, these actually came with two caps on two legs already, but here's a couple loose ones here. There's another notch, so you can line it up correctly. Notch right here, notch right there. Press it in till it clicks, and then do that for all of the legs. If some of the caps don't have it in the leg already, just simply press it in. After we flipped it over, we can take the back here, and this you just click into place right here. I'm going to go off camera because I can do it with this one hand. But there you go. It's just that easy. It's a nice sturdy little chair for a small child. If you found this video helpful in any way, please leave a comment and hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. Have a great day.